Well, SpaceX has gone viral. Elon Musk stated publicly, it's now public, referring back 100 years ago. Space was thought to be pure mass and pure energy, that the planets were coiled so close together it would take an infinite mass of energy to escape Earth's geodesic curvature. That's Einstein. There hasn't been very many others since then. Finally, Isaac Newton, that's 200 years ago, and his gravity theory did not go on to explain away emptiness, that area where people, birds, and animals are free to roam in. This was our venture about space, a ground positively applied surface. Outer perimeter space was viewed that same way. Celestials, so close to each other space, was defined as a flat surface. It's not that it was actually flat, but was so big its curvatures through our eyes of a human, seemed flat at a distance. Or did we need to take a second look at it? Look at the planets, smaller, and open space, just a place where they sat. But the definition stuck. Space was flat, and it finally was defined as such. The only question was, is it really? From Galileo to Isaac Newton to Einstein to Hubble, all these leading scientists who observed the stars didn't discover it. That an empty space, majority meaning outer space, was not really empty. Quantum theory revealed this and began researching what was in it. But we are caught between two worlds, the microscopic and the match world called reality. And these two worlds don't mingle together scientifically. But yet physicist literature seems to be confused about that in a vacuum at high velocities somehow these two worlds meet. This was published in 1905 and 1915, that the universe had a speed limit on it, and that limit was the speed of light. That held for 100 years until everything I just told you about changed. Physics tried to beat light speed by creating bridges and negative energy spaceships that would allow faster than light travel. But it was only book stories. Nothing began of it. Now, 250 years later, someone filled in empty space, empty vacuum with pixels, Planck scale particles that prepared all space. Gravity wasn't a flat surface anymore, but now three-dimensional. It had savvy. These were massless particles so small they lay dormant at 10 to the 38th power. That 10 with 38 zeros. That, my friend, is small. So from Galileo to Newton to Einstein and Erwin Hubble, the universe now is whole. It retains no empty corridors anymore. Hope you enjoy.
Classical physics is a 100-year past merger of scientific explainer data. Its unproven claims stand even today without any new physics framework. So what does that tell us? It tells us nothing new has risen. So here the latest new data about gravity.